Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be going for a test drive in a 1972 Monte Carlo. This one here has a matching number 350 with AC, power brakes, a lot of goodies on this car. We'll be checking everything out, making sure it all works. Beautiful paint job. I mean, this thing is like soft. It's worth checking out. You can see 100 detailed pictures of this ride at maplemotors.com. And if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I post them daily. We have a ton of new cars coming your way next week. Probably one of the biggest updates because it's springtime, so we'll be putting them out there. Go on over to maplemotors.com, look at the finance and the shipping information. Right now, I'm going to take you down the road. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so before we take off, we're going to check all the little gauges and gadgets in the car. We do that for you so you know what you're getting, you know what works and what doesn't. It's a little bit different from other dealers. We actually focus on the flaws. Of course, we like showing off some of the good stuff, but you can see that package tray looks good. But back over here in the corner, if I get close, look at all the little wrinkles in that corner panel there. It's on both sides. You can see the headliner's not completely stretched out. It still looks good. I call that a mechanic's headliner. It's somebody that doesn't do upholstery. Normally, well, I tack it. Kind of like me, I've done them before, but I don't get them tight either. Carpet in this one looks nice and clean. Seats, awesome. It starts up really easy. Radio, jamming, actually sounds really good. Oh man, I was wanting to try the AC, but look, our little knobs broke off. We could see, oh, okay. I heard the RPMs coming down as soon as I turned it on, and it's already cooler than the outside air, so good deal. It's on high all the time. Gas gauge, I believe that works. I can show you the miles here. This is showing 82,185. If I can get in there. It's hard for me to stand behind that, but it does have the matching number motor in here. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Let's try it. No horn. I'm on a roll with no horns this week. It's all the same steering wheels too. Wipers coming up, working. Gotta hold this one over. I noticed that you gotta hold this one over to get it to shut off. Otherwise they just keep going even if you flip the switch over. I think the switch is probably gonna need to be replaced, but it is working. Let's see how she drives down the road. Let's go, guys. Okay, so here we go. I've got my seatbelt on. We're gonna take off down the road now. Anything that I see, I will let you know. That's why I do these videos. If you've noticed, unlike other classics or other dealers in general, we look for flaws. That way you know everything about it. Not just the good stuff. Power steering's a little squeaky on this one, you hear that? Coming on down the road now. Speedometer's coming up, but we do have a pull to the left. See that? When I let go of the steering wheel, I'll start drifting back to the left. Let's see if the kickdown's hooked up. It's not, but you can always do this. Check these brakes out. Stopping fast, feel good. Clock's not working on this one. Do have a tilt column. Yeah, she's wanting to pull to the left. See when I let go of the steering wheel. Starts drifting. Gas gauge is fluctuating around. It's at a quarter tank, so we should be good. That way, if we go to ship this out, they don't have to drain the tank. Might try the lighter. See if the cigarette lighter works in this thing. Both turn signals are working. It's not working. It looks old and crusty. Drop that big manhole cover, and you hear that? Little whine coming from it. It's working good. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here. We're gonna get some outside shots. And I'm also gonna do my walk around here, I believe. We'll check the lighting and make sure it's good for it, but look below in the description. You can see everything I used to make this video. Hey, look out, here it come. Strapped to my head again. I feel so goofy every time. I've done this, I don't know how many times. I always feel goofy putting this head cam on. Sometimes I see people walking around the car lot with them on their heads too. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's what I look like? Who cares? I guess it'd be all right. So this one's smooth going down the road. I noticed that about the suspension. Feels like you're floating. Car's still pulling to the left. If I let go of the steering wheel, that's where we're going. Brakes, let's get on. Let's put her down in low and run her through. Smooth. I didn't get her down in one there. I had her in two, I assume. Check that column, make sure. We'll try it again up here on this road. That mirror needs to be tightened up. Uh-oh, he's waiting for me. He's hiding. Johnny Law. And I can't see thanks my mirror fell again. So hopefully we've went over pretty much everything on this car that's issues wise. The main thing is the steering pulling to the left. Cruise on down here. All right, let's get turned around. We passed the car a lot there. Pulling into Brian's Motorsports. They haven't been down here in a couple days. See what they've been doing. They do wheels, tires, they customize interiors, do custom trunks, stereo systems, the lower or raise your ride. They can do lift kits for new model, old school stuff. I mean, I could keep going. If it's a car and you want it customized, check out Brian's Motorsports. Literally walking distance from Maple Motors. I do a lot of my personal stuff with him. Okay. You didn't get that. The watch is talking to me. Is there something else I can help with? No, everything's good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're back at Maple Motors. I'm gonna go grab some more rides. It's beautiful today. It's gonna storm tomorrow, so screw that. I'm getting as many cars done as I can today. And look, we're not the only ones out riding. Got the old Firebird. She waved funny. Oh, it's two women. Nice. Okay. I'll see y'all on the next one, guys. Later. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can see cars posted daily from Maple Motors. Every Monday I update with new inventory. And that's the best chance for you to check out any of the new rides. That way you can get first dibs. I have financing, I have shipping available. Also have close to 100 detailed pictures, 2 videos per each car. There's like 2,000 videos here on YouTube. And I'm not gonna stop till I retire, or I have to, you know. I'll see y'all on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the share, hit the like. All that helps me out.